Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that helps you maintain value during volatile markets, and transferring it to Trust Wallet gives you more control over your assets. Let's get started. This whole process should only take a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and Trust Wallet set up on your device. Update your apps to the latest 2025 versions for any new security features. Open Trust Wallet and navigate to your USDT wallet. Tap on the Receive button to generate a new address. Copy this address carefully, as it's unique to your wallet. Now, switch over to your Coinbase app or website. Log in securely with two-factor authentication, which is super important in 2025 with all the advanced threats out there. Once you're in, go to your portfolio and select USDT from your assets list. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. Click that to start the transfer. Next, paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, these might be lower with faster blockchain updates. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Coinbase security settings. After you initiate the transfer, keep an eye on your Trust Wallet. It usually takes just a few minutes for the USDT to show up, but factors like network congestion could add time. Once it's there, you're all set. Remember, always verify transactions on blockchain explorers for extra peace of mind. There you have it. A simple way to transfer USDT from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. If you follow these steps, you'll be managing your crypto like a pro. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.